Right, so we're at the start of Paradise Waterfall. Because our vehicle is I don't know if we can drive in, but go straight, don't have to turn, he said. So we're going in. Hopefully the Paradise Waterfall is, oh, it's beautiful. We're just gonna walk all the way in. You know we're using Google Map, right? Yeah. I would suggest if you have a car or vehicle, you come all the way up the slope and park here instead of where we parked just now. Then so here we are. Starting point, entrance fee 30 baht. Some sip, and we get free cold water, so we can take them. And we're going in deeper. So we're in, very close to Paradise Waterfall, which we didn't need to climb that long way, but it's okay. 50 baht for pad thai, chicken egg 55 baht. Nice. Yeah. And this is the waterfall. Cute, small one. Is it paradise? Not really. Why does it look like we can go up further? I don't know. Okay, so we're continuing on upwards because apparently it leads to the viewpoint. So we're going up. And higher we go. There's a lot of rocks. So yeah. Just be careful when you climb. Look at that stream of water. My camera can't even capture it. I'm going up higher. I see. Can you hear the streams of water? Yeah. It's ahead of us. Yep, I'm going closer. So apparently we have reached the viewpoint. Yep, the streaming water. Nice stream of water. They also have. Then it goes all the way down. Paradise Waterfall. Yep, that's all. That's all, folks. 30 baht, not bad. Could be better, but it's okay. Right, so we're having lunch at Madam Saak Tong. Look at the menu, man. Oh my god, look at the food. So delicious. Ahoy. Mala ichi, wait ah. Look at the pad thai, 50 baht. Not bad. Turnover. Raised beef, 80. Look at the pictures. They know how to take a good picture. Yeah, look at that deep fried. We ordered this also. Deep fried spicy minced pork, 70 baht. We got the grilled beef, 100 baht. Fuyo. We got the morning glory also, and the pad thai. And the morning glory at. Now here, 50 baht. Wow. Okay, so eating pad thai. Pad thai, morning glory. We look like Hong Kong. This look like deep fried something, either pork or beef. And then rice. We are basic rice. Yeah, so this is the spicy beef. Sure. 100 baht. The pad thai, silky, smooth, chicken tender. The egg, nice. Flavorful umami, the crunch, the lime, all in one, so good. And then this pork, oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh. And then you bite into it, you spoil into pieces, and then you taste the fragrance of the pork, the flavor of the pork. So good. And then this, it's not bad. Yeah, this is it, beef juice. Nice. Hey guys, So we're in the middle of the highway and we're gonna come up another waterfall. Viewpoint relaxes 500 meters. Wong Sai Waterfall. Here we go. Up and down this hill. Walk, he said. Not hike, he said. Yeah, so we're gonna walk up. So rocky. And we're climbing up more. Came from there, going all the way up. See you at the top. So we're going to the viewpoint instead. Don't know what viewpoint this is. We're going nonetheless. A detour is a good tour. Sometimes. Yeah, off the many rocky path to a path that's filled with leaves. What a nice path for us. Up at somebody's house. Right. Up and away. Up and away. Pretty steep this one. 100 meters more. And all green. Let's hope this viewpoint is worth looking at. Flashback is cool. Who will pick this up? I don't know. Boundary lines, maybe? No, just light lines. Wow. Quite steep up here. Wow. It looks like a tree house. Like a 3-story tree house. Viewpoint somebody's house, he said. I think so. I agree. I concur. But let's just go first. Guys, so we finally reached the right way to enter Wong Sai Waterfall. Wong Sai Waterfall. Yeah, and there's some cute high elements here. And apparently we drove in when we were supposed to park outside. The lady said since we already parked all the way inside, after she thought that we were the workers, we are going to Wong Sai Waterfall. She was nice enough to let us park here first. So we're going out, going to the waterfall, and we hear some waterfall sounds. Yeah, that's the sound. So we're going there. Said we're supposed to walk straight and then go up somewhere. Then we reach. And apparently this is the resort. Wow. Oh, wait, no, not this one. Wow, it looks like some zoo. Or aquarium or whatever. But yeah, there's the bridge right there. We'll go in. Pretty chill place, pretty nice. Looks a bit like some place. Yep, some place. So we're on the bridge. Wong Sai Waterfall. Looks pretty murky right here. Like some chemical reaction happened to make limestone or something. Waterfall. And we're going up. So this is close. We're closing in on Wong Sai Waterfall. Yep, I think it's this way. Going up. Nice little small stream there. A lot of rocks in this area. just to get to waterfall. There, waterfall. Right, so we're at the Wongsai waterfall number 1, and the other one is all the way behind. Right there. Yep. Let's see if we can reach there. And so we're just climbing up the side of the rocks to get to that. Over there. Tadi I try do this. Right. Nice one. Yep. Okay. Nice. Oh, look at the altar right there. Well, even if it's dry season, it still looks nice. And all these altars, balancing stones. Cool. Yep. Welcome to Wongsai Waterfall.
Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family. Do comment down below which of the 2 waterfalls that we've been on which you have enjoyed and you most probably want to go. For me, I would personally say I prefer the Wongsai waterfall more because there's more view and there's a lot of the rocks which kind of intrigued me. Yes. And stay tuned for the next episode where we will continue our journey on Koh Phangan, which will be part 3, and it will be about food. See you there.